In this video, we're going to be discussing C4 Therapeutics, a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company developing a new class of oral small molecule degraders for the treatment of cancer. We're going to be analyzing their lead program, assessing their valuation, reviewing their recent financial results, and summarizing our outlook for the company. C4 Therapeutics' lead program is Cemsidomide, an oral small molecule degrader that targets 𝗖𝗘𝗠𝗦𝗢𝗡 and 𝗧𝗛𝗔𝗓. 𝗖𝗘𝗠𝗦 and 𝗧𝗛𝗡 are important transcription factors that are critical for the development and survival of B-cell malignancies such as multiple myeloma and non-Hodgkin lymphoma. Cemsidomide is a cereblon modulator or CELMoD, which is a class of drugs that includes the blockbuster multiple myeloma drug Revlimid, which generated sales of $12 billion in 2022. C4T's degrader drugs work by inducing the degradation of these transcription factors, which disrupts the growth and survival of cancer cells. This mechanism of action has shown strong preclinical activity against hematologic malignancies and has been validated by the clinical success of C4T's competitors. Cemsidomide is currently in phase 1 testing for the treatment of multiple myeloma and non-Hodgkin lymphoma. As of April 30, 2025, the phase 1 trial in MM has enrolled 42 patients across 3 cohorts and has shown an impressive 50% overall response rate or in the dose escalation cohort. The company expects to report data from the NHL phase 1 trial in Q4 2025. Based on this promising clinical activity, we estimate that Cemsidomide could generate peak sales of $500 million per year in a successful base case scenario. In an optimistic scenario, where Cemsidomide is used in combinations and shows clear differentiation versus competitors, we could see peak sales of $1 billion per year. C4T's degrader platform has also shown robust activity against solid tumors in preclinical studies, and the company is planning to initiate a phase 1 trial in a solid tumor indication in 2026. C4 Therapeutics' degrader platform has also shown robust activity against solid tumors in preclinical studies, and the company is planning to initiate a phase 1 trial in a solid tumor indication in 2026. Turning to financials. In Q1 2025, C4 Therapeutics reported a net loss of $26.3 million, which was an improvement over the $28.4 million net loss in the same period last year. The company's cash equivalents, and marketable securities stood at $234.7 million, providing the company with a runway into 2027. C4T is currently burning approximately $25 to $28 million per quarter. C4 Therapeutics recently deprioritized the 𝗖𝗘𝗠𝗦𝗢𝗡 𝗖𝗢𝗠𝗣𝗢𝗡 degrader after it showed limited efficacy in a phase 1 trial in melanoma patients. The company is now exploring out-licensing options for this asset. Overall, C4T is deemed an attractive investment opportunity. The company has shown strong early clinical activity with Cemsidomide and has a validated mechanism of action, a focused pipeline, and capital discipline. Additionally, the company has a solid balance sheet and upcoming clinical catalysts. If C4T's degrader platform continues to show competitive efficacy and a clean safety profile, we think the company has a viable opportunity to carve out market share in the CELMoD class. Moreover, the company remains an attractive partner or acquisition target, particularly if its data continues to mature favorably amid a $3 billion plus market in hematologic malignancies. That being said, there are also risks to consider. C4T is still a highly dependent company, with its single asset in Cemsidomide, and the MM treatment space is becoming increasingly crowded with new CAR-Ts, bispecifics, and CELMoDs coming to market. Additionally, there are regulatory uncertainties, and it's unclear how C4T plans to monetize its deprioritized assets like 𝗖𝗘𝗠𝗦𝗢𝗡. Just my thoughts here, not financial advice. Okay, do your own homework. If you like this video, smash that like button and subscribe for more awesome stuff. Thanks for watching.